Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Maxi Commerce Plus. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 122 PS. Accompanying this is a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. Finished here in the classic candy white colour, this example features black exterior wing mirror caps, and up front we'll find a set of LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights. The Caddy also features a set of front parking sensors, and across all 4 wheels we'll find black steel wheels complete with full wheel trim cover sets. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find the barn doors, and further helping you park and manoeuvre there's a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the doors and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, it comes fully ply lined as well as having multiple load lashing rings dotted throughout the load area floor. This example also features the twin sliding door option, and behind the sliding doors there's a step and a black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. Up in the cab itself there's 2 singular seats, with the driver's seat being an ergo comfort seat with an armrest as well as inflatable lumbar support. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system that includes inbuilt navigation as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find a few USB Type-C charging points as well as cup holders, and for the driver there's a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel which is paired with a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Maxi. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.